Lizard! Prank!
Malika, nowadays you're doing too many pranks. Do you know the serious effect of pranks?
Why, what's wrong in that, Charanya?
Well, in a family of four, there was one boy, 12 years, of your age, of your character. He loved making pranks. One day, what happened? He was studying for his exams. That time, it was his birthday. So, what did his father do? His father presented him a gold coin. He told that give it to your mother. Your mother will order a gold ring for you. Now the boy, he was very studious. He was studying. He kept the gold ring beside him and started studying. His little sister came up to him. She was very much astonished by seeing that gold coin. She asked, "How? Where did you get it from?" Now this boy wanted to tease her. He said her that, "You want this? I'll tell you how you can get this. But it'll take some time." The girl is curious to know. She's like, "Tell me." The boy told her, "If you plant this gold coin, you will get one money plant. Out of that, you will get coins." Now the girl, she believed her brother. She wanted to try out. She went and planted that gold coin. Everything is done. Now the boy, he was busy studying. After some time, he stopped studying. He was talking to his mother. Later, what happened? When he was talking to his mother, he said to the mother that, "Mother, father gave you a gold coin." He was explaining. Then he remembered the gold coin is not there. He asked his sister. His sister will be like, she narrates the entire story. Now the mother, she will scold the daughter for being ignorant and the boy for playing pranks. The sister would be like, "I know, mother, where is the coin? I can get you. I have marked it." She takes that pot. They search for the coin. There's no gold coin.
How's that?
They search the entire pot, entire house, everywhere, wherever the sister went the whole day, everywhere they searched. Nowhere the gold coin was there. Do you know where the gold coin went?
I have no idea.
In their house, there was a maid.
Ah.
The maid had overheard their conversation. So what did she do? She took away that gold coin. A gold coin. Now do you understand how harmful pranks are?
Yes, I'll not be playing pranks anymore.
Will you?